Hey, it's Andy with A&A Plumbing. Today we're going to talk about sump pumps. If you have one in your basement, you'd have a pit somewhat like this in the ground. Your piping would go up and it goes out the side of the house. You should have a valve like this called a check valve. It holds water above it. So if you have a pump in here, you might have water in it. It'll have a pressure switch or a float. This one here has an actual pressure switch. When the water gets high enough, it puts enough pressure on it that it'll kick the pump on. If you had issues where you had water coming over the top of your sump pump, means the pump's not kicking on. Either there's no power to it or the pump has burned up from being used too much, or not being used will also cause an issue on them. They'll dry out, seals dry out, and then the motors go out. If you have water leaking out of above your check valve, it's because there's a flap in here that closes and it keeps the water in above it. If you notice your drain line going out the side of your house has a big sag in it, kind of like this one here does, then you'd want to call and get that fixed, because that will cause issues later. It means a strap somewhere is broke and the joints will start to leak. Most houses will have a sump pump in it. Sometimes they do have a pump, sometimes they don't. Depends if you've ever had any water issues or not. I always recommend, if it has a pit and there's no pump, to put a pump in there, just for any future instances that could cause an issue, and that way you're not flooding your basement or anything. Some issues that may lead you to think that you have issues with your sump pump is if it's leaking, anywhere on the check valve, or any of your piping is leaking, or if the pump is running but no water is going out. Sometimes it could be just the check valve, or it could be just the pump has a crack in it, so the water's just swirling down in the pit. If you have any questions about your sump pump, or if you need a new one installed, please call A&A Plumbing.